wanted to live in the country and have no homes visible from our home. It is so peaceful to live here. When I drive up the driveway and I come in, there's an immediate sense of relaxation. We wanted to build a house that looked like it was 200 years old because we wanted to have the qualities of an old home with the warmth and the charm and the sense of history, but also have all of the benefits of a new house with modern conveniences. There's so many great, unique features about this home. We knew we would be here for a very long time. We brought on master craftsmen to do all the stonework for the fireplaces, the bathrooms, the tile floors. And we also brought on a master blacksmith who created unique wrought iron hardware for every single room. No two rooms hardware is alike, and all of our closets are California closets. The master bath is all limestone. All the tiles are custom cut. From both the bath and even from the shower, you can watch the sunset. The sunsets are stunning. I went to Cornell Hotel School, so the kitchen was extremely important to me. In the center of the Horseshoe Island, the chef is completely in control, and the perimeter is designed for the children to just swoop in, get what they need, and get out. The great room is one of the most peaceful rooms in the house. Wonderful for the holidays, for growing plants, and for just having a space that's quiet to read a good book. Plus, there's incredible views here, inside and out. Plenty of room for dogs to roam, and the kids can fly kites. You get the benefit of having complete privacy in the home, but then Chatham is a sweet little town 5 minutes away. Our time here has been rich and fulfilling. Whoever ends up here, I'm confident you will enjoy it as much as we have.